guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So I am right outside of Walgreens, so I'm going to take you guys in store to share with you guys the best deals over at Walgreens starting the 1st of September to the 7th. So when you're watching today's video, it's actually my anniversary with my husband. We're celebrating 6 years worth of marriage. We celebrated in Las Vegas. It was the perfect time to unplug and really spend that quality time with each other. So we had such a fun time. And just a little tip for you guys, if you are ever in Las Vegas, definitely head up the Walgreens that is right by the Palazzo. They have something called a beer cave. It was the coolest thing. It's like a refrigerated section all with different beers and different ciders, so I thought that was super fun. And if you get your like waters and beers and all the other liquor at Walgreens or CVS, you're gonna save a lot of money. So I spent, you know, 10 bucks on a bottle of champagne. And if you were to buy drinks at the bar, super expensive. I did indulge in some pool pina coladas, and those were about $19 a pop. So just heads up, if you're ever going to Vegas, then you know, what I did is I put some champagne in my Swell bottle and I took it to the pool, and I had my own champagne poolside. So I just wanted to give you guys that little tip in case you wanted to try to save a little bit of money on your alcohol if you were going to Las Vegas. So now I'm gonna go ahead and hop into it. So by popular demand, I released my shirt again. So it says, hold on, I have a coupon for that. And then on the back it says, switch lanes, I'm a couponer. So I posted this on my Instagram, and you guys had asked me to launch the shirt again. So this is launched again, so it'll be around for 3 weeks. So I will be reminding you guys to go ahead and pick up your shirts. I'm wearing an extra large because I like things super baggy and comfy. So for size reference, I am about 168 pounds on a good day, 5'7". So it's pretty baggy on me. If I wanted something more fitted, I could definitely go with a large, but I just wanted to give you guys just like a size reference. So I'll have that linked below if you guys want to go ahead and purchase your shirts. Now I'm excited. You gotta get my sound effects in, like the horses song. We don't have to pick up the dogs tomorrow. Don't worry, Mom, I'm not drunk. I'm just excited because I won $17 from Vegas playing the Simpsons slot. We don't have to pick up the dogs tomorrow. I don't need to drink my bang to get through the day.
'Cause she drank the cider.
I drank the cider that gave me heartburn in the Bellagio buffet.
And what else did it give you?
It gave me the gas that it blamed on Chris.
And what else?
And don't have to go get the dog.
Oh, she's changing the subject.
It's back into the chorus. We don't have to pick up the dogs tomorrow. All right, so I do have a printable list for you guys, so that will be in the description box below for your reference. So the first deal I'm going to share with you guys is on select Crust toothpaste. So the toothpastes are priced for $3.99 on sale, and when you buy 2 of them, you're going to get a $4 register reward. So what you want to do is buy 2 of them for $7.98. We have $2 off 1 coupons that you can find inside of your September P&G, and then there's also one you can send to your Walgreens app as well. So what you want to do is you'll end up paying $3.98, and then you get that $4 register reward. So after everything is said and done, final cost is going to be a 2-cent moneymaker. So really good deal to get some moneymaker toothpaste here at Walgreens. This week the Yardley bar soap is on sale for just 69 cents. That's a really good deal, and there is a $1 off 1 coupon inside of the box when you purchase. So 69 cents is a great deal, especially since the Dollar Tree sells the same exact one for $1, and then you could use your $1 coupon at Dollar Tree next and then get another one for free. So buy one for 69 cents, then go and flip your $1 coupon to get it free at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so we have a really nice deal on the Gillette Mach 3 razors here at Walgreens. So these guys are on sale for $6.99. Regular price on these are $8.99. $8.99, you're gonna get a $2 reward. When you buy 2 of them, you're gonna get a $2 reward. So what you wanna do is buy 2 of them for $13.98. So you wanna use 2 of the 2 off 1 coupons inside of the September P&G. So that's gonna take $4 off. So you're gonna pay $9.98, and then you get that $2 register reward back. So both of them is $7.98 or $3.99 each. So that is a really good deal on the Gillette Mach 3 razor here at Walgreens. Okay, so another deal on the Cetaphil here at Walgreens. So we have a deal going on at CVS. If you're at all interested in that video, I will have it linked below. But Cetaphil here at Walgreens is buy 1 get 1 50%. So what you could do is buy 2 of the Cetaphil daily cleansers. So I'll go ahead and do the math with you guys. Let's see. So you can go ahead and buy 2 of these for $14.23, and then we have a printable 4 off 2 coupon you can go ahead and print. So now you're down to $10.23 for 2 or just $5.11 each. So I think that's a pretty good deal if you are in the market for some Cetaphil. Hey guys, so OGX here at Walgreens is buy 1 get 1 50% this week. So the same dry shampoo that I was sharing with you guys over at CVS, it is priced for $8.99 here. So CVS's price I think was $9.79. So I'm seeing that Walgreens is priced a little bit cheaper. So I'm just gonna round it off to $9. So you buy 1 for $9, you get the second for $4.50. So if you are in the market to try some OGX, then definitely head to Walgreens and give it a try, because again, it's buy 1 get 1 50% this week. So we have a deal on some Play-Dohs, the Play-Doh Fun Factory, as well as the 4-pack Play-Dohs. They are buy 1 get 1 free. So the 4-packs are priced for $5.49, so you can get 2 4-packs for $5.49. And these like Fun Factory toys, they're priced for $8.49, so you can get 2 of them for $8.49. So not a bad deal, especially if you're shopping ahead for Christmas. But spoiler alert, over at CVS there's some really good clearance on Play-Doh as well. So the 2-pack Play-Doh clearance over at CVS is 99 cents for 2-pack. But if you don't have CVS, then head over to your Walgreens. Alrighty guys, so we have a really nice deal on Tide here at Walgreens. So the liquid Tide, let's see. So the 40-ounce liquid Tide, as well as the 16 count of Tide Pods, these guys are on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 3, you're going to get a $6 reward for your next purchase. So what you can do is buy 3 of them for $14.97. You can use a insert coupon for 2 off 1 for the liquid Tide. You can use a insert coupon for 2 off 1 for the pods, and then you can send a $2 coupon to your Walgreens app. So that's how you're going to take $6 off. So you'll end up paying $8.96, and then so you'll end up paying $8.97, but then you get that $6 reward for your next purchase, so it makes them 99 cents. So that is a killer deal for Tide here at Walgreens. So great deal. So we have a deal on the Bounty 6 big rolls or the 8 regular rolls. So just look for the 6 and the 8. That's how you're gonna know it's the right package. They're on sale for $6.99, and your $1 off 1 insert coupons for Bounty and Charmin, you can use that. So it's gonna make it just $5.99, which is great, and it's less expensive than the deal running over at CVS. Also on sale is the 6 mega rolls. So these are on sale for $6.99 as well. So you can use that $1 off coupon to make it $5.99. Alright, so really great deal on some Febreze here at Walgreens. So these guys are on sale 2 for $6, and we have a 3 off 2 coupon that you can send to your Walgreens app. So it's going to make them 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. And if you need an idea where you can donate those to, donate them to like an animal shelter, because they are definitely in need of fabric sprays. All right, you guys, so we have a nice deal on the Blue Diamond almonds. So this week they are buy 1 get 1 free. So you can't use any coupons because that's a buy 1 get 1 free. And also on the buy 1 get 1 free is the fruit and almond packages as well. So the fruit and almond packages are $4.99, and the 16-ounce bags are $9.99. So definitely was probably going to be better bang for your buck doing the buy 1 get 1 free with the almond and fruit. Looks like there's a repeat deal running on the Heinz mustard, as well as the relish, as well as the Vlasic, the Vlasic pickles, as well as the ketchup, and the 16 ounce of the Bush's baked beans. So these are buy one get one free. So that is a really nice grocery deal to do a buy one get one. So the last grocery deal I'm going to highlight for you guys is the Kraft mac and cheese. So the box Kraft mac and cheese is on sale for 89 cents, as well as the Velveeta single cup mac and cheeses. That's on sale for 89 cents as well. And you can submit your receipt to fetch rewards, and you're going to get bonus points because it's a Kraft product. So anytime you submit a receipt to fetch rewards and you use one of their verified brands or preferred brands, whatever you want to call it, you're going to get bonus points. So definitely make sure you are signed up for fetch rewards. If you're not, I will have a link below so you guys can go ahead and sign up. So these are all the deals I have to share with you guys this week here at Walgreens. These deals start September 1st and they run through September 7th. So I hope you guys have a fantastic holiday weekend. Make sure you go ahead and check out the printable list that I have for you guys in the description box. Make sure you go and get your hold on. I have a coupon for that shirt, and this is the back of it. It says switch lanes. I'm a couponer. So I will have all of the information in the description box if you want to go ahead and purchase your shirt as well.